Hi everybody, Rose here. Welcome, thank you for joining me today. Rose M Creations. So I just have a smaller canvas, 11 by 14. I have a bunch of leftover paint and they're in the yellow family. So I thought I would do a flip cup, but I'm using one of these bowls. And I also got these small catalyst wedges that I want to stop playing around with. So I thought this would be a good way to play around with it. So I have to think. Thinking what I want on the bottom is going to be on the top. And what I do on the top is going to be underneath. Okay, so.
Barely 7 weeks of the world's longest tease. You said you've never felt this way before. My days are black and white. Now when I'm alone at night, all I want is your name on my door. Don't back down. You know what we have found. I'm begging you, color me in. Let me be yours. I make you laugh, you say. You take my fears away. I'm so high, I don't know what to do. Everything's the same, but everything has changed. Nothing's happened till I've shared it with you. Don't back down. You know what we have found. I'm begging you, color me in. Let me be yours. Everyone watching us knows, and you make me wait. Make me wait. Let me be yours. Don't back down. You know what we have found. I'm begging you, color me in. Color me in. Color me in. Let me be yours. Let me be yours.
Driving down the road that I grew up on once again. It's when I pass your door, the memories come back again. Pictures of us flooding back just like a wave. Makes me wonder what happened, what you're up to today. Remember when we stole your mother's car, we drove for days. Teenagers with too many feelings and rage. We were higher than the ceiling, middle fingers to the sky. I remember thinking if I only could stop the time. Way back when we didn't care what they said. People could stare, I didn't give a damn, 'cause I was being next to you. Way back when we didn't care what they said. People could stare, I didn't give a damn, 'cause all I needed was my friend. Way back when, way back when, way back when. Remember when my father taught us how to play guitar, and we started up a band in my garage. We thought our dream would take us so far, but after a week or so it all just fell apart. But we were higher than the ceiling, middle fingers to the sky. I remember thinking if I only could stop the time right now. Way back when we didn't care what they said. People could stare, I didn't give a damn, 'cause I was being next to you. Way back when we didn't care what they said. People could stare, I didn't give a damn, 'cause all I needed was my friend. Way back when, way back when. We were higher than the ceiling, middle fingers to the sky. Way back when, way back when.
I got this weight on my shoulders, slowing me down. I don't know how it came about. And while the world is spinning faster every night, I feel I'm stuck in reverse somehow. But it ain't no one's fault that I am stuck here. No one to blame this on, feeling so hopeless. I keep on pouring salt on my wounds when I shouldn't stay. I feel the pressure on me, how it's itching under my own skin. It's getting real hard to breathe. I gotta move on right now. I feel the pressure. A force of habit to point at another mistake, but two wrongs don't make one right. I gotta pull it together before it's too late. An hourglass in my mind, a light. I know it's all my fault that I am stuck here. No one to blame this on, feeling so hopeless. I gotta find the way before it disappears. I cannot stay. I feel the pressure on me, how it's itching under my own skin.
Here it is drying, and I really like what the Acrylic wedge does. I think it's cool. You know, I need more practice with it, but I am liking it a lot. I think it adds a different look. So, yeah, let me know. Have you tried a Acrylic wedge? Any tips? But I am liking this. I've got a fall vibe from it. The colors definitely aren't showing correctly on the camera. But so there it is. Thanks for joining me, everyone. Have a great day and peace, everybody.